Got our umbrellas, day 2. Here we go. Cha-cha-cha. Where are we at? The Pantheon. She is having trouble saying that. Look really carefully, you can see this rain coming in. Making sure that we have our tickets.
Tried to tell me to go with the other
Yeah,
one.
I was telling you to go the other way. So we just had our first adventure of the day of going to the Colosseum, where we had to cross the street, and then no, of today, but we got it. We are going to the Colosseum now, right, ChaCha? And it's beautiful out. It's raining, so that makes it really nice. And for all of you at home, Connor, Aiden, Addison, we're still having fun, so you know. Bye. Hey guys, we're going to take a quick break in the video, and I want to explain a couple things that happened from here on out in this video series. We knew it was going to rain in Rome, and we had taken our umbrellas, and we had our rain jackets, and we were completely prepared for almost everything that happened. But when we woke up this morning, it had been raining all night. It rained all day, and by the time we had got to the Colosseum, little to my knowledge, more things had gotten wet than I thought. I was wearing a day pack, and I had my battery in there, and this is the Nikkor 20,000 amp battery, and I made one critical mistake, and because we weren't at home, I wasn't thinking, this thing got wet, and this little connection point right here somehow seeped in water. ChaCha had told me that my backpack was starting to get wet. I thought everything was okay, but I made this mistake, and I plugged in my charger to get my camera and my phone charged back up, and boom, this thing blew on me. So I wasn't able to video the rest of this. I asked ChaCha to take some videos. She took photos and videos. So the last part of this is ChaCha's, but here's the deal. Take one of these with you. It's very light. It's something that I could have put my charger in. It wouldn't have gotten wet. But I hope you guys are enjoying this, and we'll get back to the video. Luckily, I had my 10,000 amp Nikkor charger, so it saved us the rest of the trip, because taking videos takes up a lot of space. So learn from my mistake. I could have also brought a pack liner to put in my backpack, but hey, it is what it is. We still enjoyed it, even though we were soaking wet. You can see it in my face in this segment where I was getting tired of that rain. So enjoy the rest of this video. By the way, red means stop, but ChaCha went everywhere. Anyway, so I think she wants to hurry up and get in the rain here. All right, we made it through. Now, don't forget to leave your phone in your pocket or you'll get searched. Did you get strip searched?
Nope.
All right, just checking. All right. ChaCha just said if I don't buy her a stroller, she's gonna throw a tantrum. But this was her trip, right? Oh, she flipped me off. Okay, guess we gotta go. All right, bye. All right, we made it back without ChaCha throwing a fit. And this is our room, our bed. Here is our baño. And these are the light switches. All right, we're gonna take a nap because somebody's a little cranky.